Welcome back. Before the break, we were talking about the consultation process that goes into the preparation of a budget. Swati Saab, what are your concerns when you have two members of a coalition very, very upset with the party in power that they were not taken on board when this major bill that makes sure that the finances of the country are planned, and you weren't part of that decision? How does that make you feel?
Just like it happened in the cabinet meeting, you know, a coalition partner with 13 senators sitting in the upper house, not consulted for a minute. I took this on my own because Science and Technology, Ministry of Science and Technology represent the people of Pakistan. It is not my personal ministry. And you also need to understand that a minister who is sitting over there does not drive a government car, does not use a government telephone, does not have a Khansama driver, and if he is so generous.
But it's not just your ministry, your party is a coalition partner.
This is what I am saying. I say I have taken on my own and even represented my own ministry that I was heading on behalf of JUI, and I have not written one letter or two letters, but many letters. Even I went to and talked to the Prime Minister myself.
I'm going to read something out to you. There was an article in the papers last week by a gentleman called Mr. Abid Hassan. He's a former Director of Operations at the World Bank. It's called Budgeting for 73 Gardeners. And I'm just going to read something out to you. A quick review of the demand for grants for fiscal year 2010 documents provides insights into the embedded waste. Taxes need to be collected to pay for, now hear this, 73 gardeners, 175 servants and 263 household staff in the Prime Minister House and 484 staff in the Prime Minister's Secretariat.
Okay,
I am
the only minister. I am the only minister who does not accept these privileges and perks.
I am going to have to bring you in here.
So, you see, I've heard this before, and this I think is very petty. That
you think so? I really feel sad that my
I feel very sad.
My money is taxed.
I feel very sad that you are raising this, but you're not looking at the positive aspects. I feel very sad that you've been sitting here and attacking government and just reiterating one point without looking at other aspects of the budget. I feel sad that you're extremely partial. I feel very, very sad.
I'm not.
Let me answer your question about this.
I'm giving you the opportunity to.
But you're not letting me finish.
There are two members here who are saying that they were not, they're feeling a little,
I understand the grievances and I respect the grievances, and I think that the government has the capacity to resolve these issues. These things come up in every session. You know, we are coalition partners, we're brothers and sisters, we could fight and we will make up. And these raising issues about gardeners, when we are not really looking at the other spread of the budget, is like trying to look at the little dot without seeing the whole picture. Why do people do that? This issue came up on summer television. Why aren't you talking about the fact that the first time in the history of Pakistan, the largest a public support program, income support program, which targets women of Pakistan who are the most deprived, is there in a budget that is being made in a context in which we are really suffering. I mean, there is hardly any fiscal space. Yet
but they could not spend 30 billion of the 70 billion allocated to them.
Let's get into this. Yet we are raising the salaries of public servants by 50%. Yet we are not raising any custom duties.
Were the provinces consulted on this?
Yet we were, there may be issues with the provinces, but the provinces don't have to raise their salaries. The provinces don't have to. And now with this autonomy,
brought up the Benazir income support program, but they weren't able to utilize the money that was provided to them.
Because there is a poverty survey. There is a huge poverty survey, and that poverty survey is being done in a very independent way. And I mean, all of you people are always, getting upset that there is patronage and that they are favoring their own people. But in this particular program, we are doing a neutral poverty survey, and until and unless we don't finish that survey, we cannot proceed. proceed.
spend the
Now,
money.
you're not even talking about the fact that that we have reduced custom duties on many items without increasing customs duties. So there are several positive measures. Why are you talking about 75 gardeners? Those 75 gardeners were not hired by Yusuf Raza Gilani. Those 75 gardeners, if you want Yusuf Raza Gilani to throw them out, he'll throw them out. When they'll protest, you'll be the first journalist coming and asking him questions, or you've thrown out 75 gardeners.
No, actually, I think 73 gardeners might.
But they were not hired by him. If
But
they
he
were
could
hired,
take-
they may have
but
been
they
hired.
can be used,
They may have
they
been
can be
hired by
used for-
Shaukat
they can-
Aziz.
Yes, but they could be used in another park somewhere. They could be used in another place. They could be
No,
sent
but they were
somewhere
not.
else.
What all
I
I'm
would
saying
have-
is that
I
they were not
understand
hired
that.
by Yusuf
But
Raza Gilani.
I have to bring
and
in
why,
Mr.
why should we
Swati,
focus on these gardeners?
because my salary
These
is
are-
going to pay for them.
Okay, like these are
I
poor
have to
gardeners,
bring- I
right?
have
Let's put them out on the street.
No, I'm saying they can
our
be. They
senator
can
is
be.
complaining that we have to
They
look
are
after the
government
poor.
employees, they
and
can
here
be
you want
moved-
to unemploy.
They are government employees that can be moved elsewhere. I have to bring
if those
Mr. Swati.
gardeners listen to what you are saying, they'll be very upset, I tell you.
That they be moved to another place and be
Move
given
to another place. Why move to another place? They were
I have to bring
hired over
Mr.
the
Swati
years.
here.
I think we
are going into non-issues. Let's go into issues.
The budget issues are very quite different,
Yes.
and let me focus on
Let's
that.
focus on-
on just
Okay.
one example. Let me give you one example, which I would not, if I am criticizing that, or I am criticizing in a very positive way.
Yes.
If we didn't have the money, and we have the cuts throughout all the ministries,
Right.
but we have raised 35 billion Benazir program to 50 billion. Look at the dichotomy that for science and technology, which should be the mother of all the ministries, from 6 billion came to 3.2 billion. Last year it was only 1 billion released. This year from 7 billion, we have only been allocated 1.6 billion. How do you think the people of Pakistan would see that on one, we are living very lavishly?